Dean has a lifelong fascination with memory and the power of a trained mind. In addition to his ongoing research and writing, he speaks regularly on the subject for various education, business, and healthcare audiences.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I appreciate the opportunity to spend a few minutes, well, about an hour with you today, talking about the power of the human mind.
Okay. Huh?
So Aleli and I just went to the pool, and we were there for about 20 minutes before it started thundering and the clouds turned to super gray. So we're inside, and we just heard that there's a thunderstorm warning. So yeah, but that's a brewing, and we're stuck inside. So hopefully it doesn't get bad, because tomorrow we're going to Hollywood Studios for Disney. And I don't want it to be raining, because that would just be reliving the last time that we were here in Orlando. But we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to film anything, but if I do, I'll show you that when it happens.
Kevin won't order room service for me.
The room service would be $20-some if we do it. Yeah,
Give
so
me these from the plane.
on the plane right over here.
These are like 4 days old.
Nuh-uh. They're like 2 days old.
Okay, 2 days old.
Yeah, so we're waiting. Our people went to
Downtown Disney. I'm waiting for them to come back so we can make sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
Because
But
we're
until
cheap
then-
and we don't want to spend money.
I don't want to spend $10.
Yeah.
Okay, so enjoy your peanuts. It's what, 9:30?
Mm-hmm.
9 something. So they're coming back at 10.
Yeah.
Don't have to wait that long.
I feel like at 10 I'm not going to want to eat.
Too bad.